everybody, it's Old Drifter again. I was going through, cleaning on my van, kind of picking up where I left off last video. Anyway, I got to the back here, trying to wipe down. Stuff gets so dusty in here. I mean, within a day, I can do this. In 2 days, everything will be dusty again. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. But I got emails, so I was looking at my emails, and I started deleting old ones. You remember the other day where I said I had 2 questions I was going to answer, but I couldn't remember one of them? Well, I ran across the email, so now I know what the question is, and I'm going to answer it. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I'm out here. The last spot I showed you, I'm still here. It's the same day, just up in the afternoon. But anyhow, let me get to it. So I don't want this one to be real long. I know I say that every time, but I'm really going to try to make this short. But the person wanted to know, man, I really need to wipe this off. It's filthy. But anyway, the person wanted to know what I keep in my little quote-unquote pantry. So I'm going to show you. Oh man, this thing's filthy. I don't know if I want to show you or not. The dust is terrible. You just got to overlook the dust. Let me get you turned around here. See what we can do. I know my MGM studio lighting is yes, I know. So I don't know how I'm going to set you because I really can't. But this is my 3-drawer tool chest. 1, 2, 3. I put it in here. It's my pantry. Here's my stove sits on top of it. I just keep like my bread stuff laying on the stove, when I'm not using it. But this is what I call my pantry. So we'll just get started. My first drawer is my junk drawer. Oh Lord, look at the cookies in there. I didn't know I had all them. Everybody's got a junk drawer in their kitchen. Well, this is mine. I just keep hodgepodge everything here. Obviously, you can see I like cookies. Got a phone in here and old drink mixes, you add to your water. Some electronic stuff. There's my GoPro waterproof case. Just hodgepodge of things. Ibuprofen. My fine china silverware. Sandwich bags. It ain't no different what you got. Same thing, just in the van. If I can get that shut. That's why I like this thing. It's hard to do one-handed. See if I unlock it, and yes. My second drawer, I don't know if you can see it. If it may be a shadow on it, I'm sorry if there is, but I keep my dry goods. Some canned foods. Oh, I love these things. Like rice dinners and whatnot. I put is this chicken? Yes. I put these chickens. Can you read that? I don't know if you can read it or not. It's canned chicken, pre-cooked. I put it in stuff like this right here. This rice dinner. Awesome in that. Some macaroni. I'm a macaroni freak. I don't know who is. What is that noise? Oh, hearing a weird noise. I don't know. We'll worry about it later. But man, instant mashed potatoes. These are good. If you haven't had these, you got to try them. I don't know if you can read that or not. But yeah, these are awesome. They got all different kinds of flavors. That's loaded baked potato. 4 cheese. Yeah, them are good. If you haven't tried them, I recommend you try them. If you like mashed potatoes. They're not homemade, but they're the closest thing to it. And then, yeah, this is gonna be hard to do. Nope, I got it. And then my bottom drawer is my pots and pans, some more canned food. Yeah, some more dry rotinis. I got more canned food down in there. Big box of oatmeal for breakfast. Got my coffee, my sugar, creamer. Can't forget this. If you're gonna live in a van, you got to have that. If you don't have this, you might as well go back home. But anyhow, that's pretty much the basic. It's no different than the pantry you have at home. I got my refrigerator for like my meats and my milk and cold water, whatever. And then I got my pantry for my dry goods. Now under my sink, so excuse me there, man. Wow. Under my sink, I keep a few things. I don't even know what I got under here. Oh yeah, like boxes of crackers and stuff of that nature. things you're not getting every single day. I just keep them under out of the way. And one more thing I do. This is something I do. It ain't, you know, you don't have to do it. It's just something I do. When I eat bread, I eat wheat bread. But when I get it, I don't like the heel. You know that pizza has the like crust all the way over it? I don't eat that. I don't like it. Never have. So I save them. When I get to a spot, like a campground or something, I feed it to the raccoons or the squirrels or whatever eat it. You know, I put it out there where they can have it. I'm not going to throw it in the garbage when somebody can eat it, you know, whether it be an animal or whatever. I don't see no reason for throwing it away when I can let one of the little critters eat it. So I save them up. I got 2 now. I need to put them out. I'm trying to save them until I get to a campground, but I don't want to keep them in here too long. But if not, I'll just pitch them out, you know, like where I'm at now. There's something to eat it. But anyhow, that was it. Hope y'all doing good. Maybe this will be short, like I said. It's kind of warm today. Temperatures are going back up. It's where's my little thermometer? I finally found my thermometer. Yeah, it's 86 degrees inside the van right now. I got the doors open. I don't have my exhaust fan on. I need to turn it on. I don't have it on. I just got my little, oh, you can see it now, my little Amazon fan. I moved over here. I got it pointing towards me. But I found my little thermometer. Well, I got it in my hand. I'll show it to you. This is just a, I don't know what you call it, like a kitchen thermometer, you know, like a meat probe type deal. But it's very accurate. I like it. I think I gave $4 for it or something like that at Walmart. I bought it to put in my refrigerator. Well, what I was going to do, I almost did it and I didn't. And now I'm glad I haven't done it yet. I was going to drill me a small hole in the lid of my refrigerator where this, you know, would stick down in the lid and I can just look at it. I changed my mind. I didn't want to do nothing to alter that thing because it's been, like I said, I've had it 2 years or better. It's been awesome. I didn't want to go messing with it, so I decided not to do that. So what I do, I just hang this in the van or lay it somewhere, and I lay it low because, you know, heat rises. So I lay it down. Actually, I keep it on my sink, but I keep it down low to get a pretty accurate temperature. And yeah, it's my indoor thermometer. So anyhow, that's what I use it for now. It seems to be pretty accurate because I can look at the weather app on my phone or watch the weather on TV or whatever, and they'll say it's, you know, 80 degrees, and I'll look at this and it'll be showing 80 degrees. So it's pretty accurate. Other than that, that's about it. I'm not going to ramble a whole lot this time. I just want to answer that question real quick. Everything's going great. I got some cleaning to do back here, dust. Anything I got back here black is just white, covered in dust. I don't know how it happens so quick. When I'm traveling, I keep everything closed except for this vent. I open it to kind of keep air circulating through here. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to get it wiped down, get her back in good shape. Getting excited now because it's just a matter of a few days, 3 or 4 days, I'm going to be hitting the highway and kind of getting excited about it. But yeah, I'm in this video right here. Hope y'all having a great day. Glad to have each and one of you. Hello to my aunt. You know, just an old country boy doing this thing, and I appreciate y'all coming along for the ride, so that's pretty cool. Y'all have a great day, great night, and until I see you next time, God bless you. I almost forgot one thing. I've been wanting to tell y'all this for a long time, and I always forget. In the description, video description below, I always put my post office box and my email address. So if any of y'all want to get hold of me, shoot me, because they don't do the messaging thing on YouTube anymore. So some people I used to get a lot of messages from, I haven't been hearing from anymore because you can't do that. So yeah, just in the description, I'll have my post office box and email address. It's always been in there. It's just you really haven't needed it, you know, because YouTube used to have that messenger thing, but they ain't got it no more. So yeah, so look down there and get that. Shoot me a line or a question, whatever you want to do. And yeah, I was going to tell you where to go and I forgot. It slipped my mind. You know, because I only got 1 gigabyte a day up here. I can't handle a whole lot. The bread thing just threw me all off. But yeah, just look down the video description. It'll be in there. I don't hardly ever put a whole lot in there. You know, nobody looks at that stuff anyway. But my post office box and email address will be in there. So yeah, if you want to get a hold of me, look down there and get it. Shoot me a line. All right. God bless you.